Now I am telling you how to minimize the problem of a linear programming. Solve the following problem to minimize, and what to minimize: that function z is 200x plus 500y. This function needs to be minimized under the constraints x plus 2y is greater than 10, 3x plus 4y is less than 24, x is greater than equal to 0 and y is greater than equal to 0. These are the four situations which will give some conclusion by drawing the graph, and with the help of those points we will minimize z is equals to 200x plus 500y. This needs to be minimized. As usual, we will take x is greater than or equal to 0. It means that the positive part, that is right side portion of x-axis from origin. Y is greater than 0 means above to x-axis. So this is the positive side. Two constraints are already, and with the help of these two constraints we can conclude that our feasible region, the answer zone, will be in first quadrant, because this is the situation of first quadrant A. Then x plus 2y is greater than equal to 10. To convert any inequality, what we take first? We make its equality. So x plus 2y is equals to 10 will be taken as the first of our equality. If I take x as 0, y will be 5. So 5 comma 0 is this situation A. And if I take y 0, I will get x as 10. If y is 0, x as 10, it means that second situation will be 10 comma 0. So with the help of this we can notice this is the line of x plus 2y is equals to 10. So we will take x0, y0 and we will get to know where are the point of intersection of these axes. And now the situation is the origin is a part of solution or not. So we will put x0 and y0. So 0 plus 2 into 0. Is it a true or false statement? 0 is greater than 10 is a false statement. It means that the graph, or you can say the line shading zone, will be away from origin. That is, this line shade is above the origin. Now you come for this. It is 3x plus 4y. We have 3x plus 4y is less than equal to 24. We will make it equal to 24 to take the points on x and y axis. If we take x0, we will get y is what? 6. So 0 comma 6 is this situation. And if we take y0, then point will be 8 comma 0. So with the help of this, this is the drawn, and this will be said to be 3x plus 4y is what? Less than or equal to 24. Now to check its shaded part, we have to take here inequality as given, and if I take x0, y0, then 0 is less than equal to 24. A correct statement. It means that its shading will be toward down. So we can actually see only this triangle, this zone, this and this is the common shaded part of all four inequalities. So minimize will be taken only from these three, 0, 6, 4, 3 and 0 comma 5, because this is most common zone. So what are the corner points? 0, 5, 4, 3, 0, 6. What is our z? 200x plus 500y. If we put 0 comma 5, 0 comma 5, 2500. If we put 4 comma 3, this is the second situation, 4 and 3 here. So it will be 800 plus 1500, that is 2300. And if we put the last situation 0 comma 6, we get 3000. So 4 comma 3, that's meaning by x is equals to 4 and y is equal to 3. At this situation, this is the minimum. So this is minimized at 4 comma 3 and minimum value is 2300. So any of the problem related to linear programming can easily be solved by taking the help of graph paper and taking in the mind that what constraints are looking for and what is the most common zone. From the most common zone, we will select the corner points, and these corner points will be used in the main function to check maximize or minimize.